Look at this beautiful utensil holder I received from Homemaker Designs. And it is so nice. This is in stainless steel and white embossed, and it's in ceramic material. This is perfect to hold all your utensils. And it's nice and large too. It measures 6 inches by 7 inches. And look how nice that is. Great for organizing your countertops. Get everything out of those drawers. And look how pretty that is. Now, this is great for not only as a utensil holder, but there's so many more uses. You can have this as an ice bucket. Just put your drink inside and some ice or just ice, as well as a centerpiece for a vase. So this is also great to use as a vase as well. Here's a close-up of the utensil holder, and look how pretty it is. It has a stainless steel band right here, and look at that embossed design. It is so pretty. And this is what it looks like on the inside, and this is what the bottom looks like. I absolutely love this. It is such a pretty vintage farmhouse design. Absolutely love it, and would go great in so many different kitchens, especially mine. Definitely recommend it. Thank you, Homemaker, for sending this to me. Absolutely love it. Hope you found this video helpful, everybody, and thank you for watching.